Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of AI side hustles. Today, we're diving into 3 innovative ways to earn money using artificial intelligence. Stick around to discover which hustle worked best for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to help us reach more people eager to explore these opportunities. Our first AI side hustle involves using AI to create digital art. With platforms like DeepArt and ArtBreeder, you can generate stunning visuals that can be sold online. This hustle is perfect for those with a creative flair and an interest in technology. Let's explore how you can turn your artistic passion into profit using AI tools. Creating digital art with AI is not only fun, but also lucrative. You can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. The key is to find your niche and market your art effectively. With AI, you can produce high-quality pieces quickly, allowing you to build a diverse portfolio and attract a wide range of customers. Next up, we have AI-generated content creation. Tools like Copy.ai and Jasper can help you write engaging blog posts or podcast scripts. This hustle is ideal for those who love storytelling and want to share their knowledge. Let's dive into how you can leverage AI to produce high-quality content efficiently and effectively. AI-generated content is a game changer for bloggers and podcasters. You can produce articles and scripts in a fraction of the time it would normally take. This allows you to focus on other aspects of your business, like marketing and audience engagement. With AI, you can maintain a consistent content schedule and grow your platform. Our final AI side hustle is business automation. By using AI tools like Zapier and Integromat, you can automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. This hustle is perfect for entrepreneurs looking to optimize their operations. Let's explore how AI can help you save time and focus on growing your business. Business automation with AI can revolutionize the way you work. By automating tasks like data entry and customer follow-ups, you can free up time to focus on strategic initiatives. AI tools can also provide valuable insights into your business performance, helping you make informed decisions and drive growth. In conclusion, each AI side hustle offers unique opportunities and challenges. Whether you're creating art, generating content, or automating business tasks, AI can help you achieve your goals. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to inspire others to explore the world of AI side hustles.